Okay, I'm hopping in here real quick to talk about metabolic health. So we have been told this lie about our metabolism slowing down as we age. Science has really proven that this is not actually the case. Our metabolism slows down for one of 5 reasons. Number 1 is restricting calories. There's a plethora of reasons for this, but essentially the variation of calories turns metabolic switches on and off when we don't necessarily want them that way. So this is where kind of learning and understanding food and nutrition is super important, what the human body actually needs to survive and thrive. Number 2 is poor quality of food. So there is a specific class of foods called obesogens. You can Google that, but obesogens are basically found in most shelf-stable foods. So anything that's processed is going to contain obesogens, which make them addictive, which give your gut microbiome its own kind of life that makes you crave more sugar and more carbs and more bad stuff. Number 3 is spikes in cortisol. So if you don't know, cortisol is your fight or flight hormone. It is the hormone that surges when you are being chased by a tiger. Well, none of us are being chased by tigers because that's not the world we live in. However, as women, we have what is known as rushing woman syndrome, where we go 600 miles an hour with our hair on fire. We don't sleep enough. We don't prioritize rest. And because of that, we have high cortisol levels. We cannot be metabolically healthy when we have excess cortisol. Just a side note, excess cortisol gets stored as belly fat. So any of you who have excess belly fat, you have too much stress. Number 4, toxic ingredients. Kind of similar to what we were talking about with food quality, but toxic ingredients also include beauty products, skincare products, anything that has fragrance in it, red dye specifically, natural flavoring. Like, you really need to learn how to read labels and stay away from these toxins, mostly because our body has 3 pathways to detox. That is the liver, the kidneys, and the lymphatic system. And if those 3 are not in alignment and doing what they're supposed to do, it creates problems and we cannot effectively process out toxins. The 5th thing is that we seem to subscribe to a one-size-fits-all approach to not only healthcare, but to weight loss and these types of things. And the reality is that we're also unique and different. And that's where the Corner Abbey really targets, because we offer this customizable approach to health. We meet you where you're at. We sit with you. We take the time to do a discovery session, find out where you struggle, and really give you the tools you need to be successful.